All right, folks, welcome to week 36. I'm going to quickly go over your instructions for this week. Now, there aren't a lot because you're just going to be working mainly in Revit, but keep that in mind. You are working mainly in Revit, so you need to make sure you're getting your stuff done. So let's go into week 36 real quick. You'll see one assignment. That's the work log week 3. Click make that bigger. All right, here we go. So, something a little bit different this week, just due to the fact that I need to make sure I'm keeping track of your project as we're going along. At this point, you should have your rough floor plan drawn and in your portfolio, as well as the guidance office area and guidance office / administration office area and school nurse area completed in your Revit file. This week, we'll be working on completing the following areas for the work log week 3. Here's the difference. Here's the different thing. I would also ask that you provide screenshots of this week's areas and last week's areas in your portfolio as you complete them. This will make visualization of your progress much easier and will allow you to document any changes that you make later on in this project. So, as you're going through, as you complete an area, just take a quick screenshot. Throw it into your portfolio. Label it the area it is, and that way if you make any changes you have these documented so that I can see what it looked like before, and then I can see what it looks like in your final layout. All right, that's the difference. Here are the assigned areas. It's only one little bullet point, I guess you could say, or box this week, and just the subcategory with the areas. Again, more detail can be found in the constraints document for a more clear breakdown. So if I go to that, you'll see that this week I've changed the green highlighted. Wow, that is really washed out on the board. I've changed the green highlighted requirements. You'll see that now the green stuff is the main lobby entrance, library, auditorium, and janitor's area. I changed last week's stuff to blue so that, some people wanted to know what we were still doing last week. I was just changing it to green. That way, if you forgot to do something, you at least know that all of this stuff that's highlighted should be done by the end of this week. There's something else I wanted to say. Yep, just make sure you're paying attention to the breakdown of the different areas. I do give you that square footage. Again, it's around that area. It's plus or minus whatever you want. It doesn't have to be perfectly on with the square footage I give you. It's just to help make your life easier when trying to figure out how much space you need. But those are the 4 areas I have for you. We're working on those 4 areas this week due to the fact that we're just working in Revit. You don't have anything else you have to complete, so I'm going to have you guys work in Revit the whole week. Otherwise, unless you have any questions, obviously you can email me, but I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you later.